So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Air Pollution and Control Week 4 Assignment 4. So the first question is, what is the standard unit of the standard deviation of the horizontal distribution of plume concentration? So these are the option m by s, m by s2, mu g by m3. So the answer of our first question is B. M. And now let's go to our question number 2. Which of the following assumptions are not associated with the Gaussian plume model? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says Gaussian plume models. There is no diffusion in x direction, uniform continuous emission rate. So the answer for our second question is B. First and second. And now let's go to our question number 3. A stack in an urban area is emitting 80 G by S of nitrogen oxide. It has an effective stack height of 100 meter. The wind speed is 4 meter per second at 10 meter. It is a clear summer day with the sun nearly overhead. Estimate the ground level concentration in mu g by meter cube at 2 kilometer downwind on the center line. So these are the options 6.4, 64, 128, 640. So let's check the explanation. So explanation says 64.3 mu g by m cube. So the answer of our third question is B. And now let's go to our question number 4. In what direction is the wind assumed to be blowing in the context of the line source model? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says the following assumptions are taken while driving the expression for concentration of pollutants released from a line source. Wind blowing perpendicular to the line. So the answer for our fourth question is B. Perpendicular to the line. And now let's go to our question number 5. If a car is running up to 10 km and emits CO, what would CO concentration be at ground level? So these are the option, and the answer for our fifth question is D. And now let's go to our question number 6. The expression for the determination of concentration C of a pollutant using the Gaussian dispersion model for a line source C is equal to 2q upon under root 2 pi sigma mu sine phi x exponential minus h square upon 2 sigma z square. What is the unit of C in the above equation? So these are the option, and the answer for our sixth question is D. Mu g by m cube. And now let's go to our question number 7. On NH8 Delhi Jaipur highway, a lot of vehicles traveling to and fro journey daily releases harmful chemical emissions. Consider average emission rate from the vehicles of a pollutant P1 is 0.04 G by S. Determine the total chemical concentration of the pollutant P1 at a point 500 meter downwind from the highway at on an overcast day. Let the wind be perpendicular to the highway having a speed of 4.5 meter per second. Number of vehicles per unit length in m as 0.150. So these are the option, and the answer for our seventh question is B. 53 mu g by meter cube. And now let's go to our question number 8. The available assimilation capacity AAC is given as, so these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says available assimilation capacity as permissible emission load. Available assimilation capacity is equal to permissible standard minus ambient pollutant concentration. So the answer of our eighth question is B. And now let's go to our question number 9. The comprehensive stock of all the pollution emitting sources and emissions in a given region with a specific time period is called. So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says an emissions inventory of a given region for a specific time period is a comprehensive stock of all the pollution emitting sources such as vehicles, industries, power plants, road dust, and so on. So the answer of our ninth question is C. Emission inventory. And now let's go to our question number 10. An average representative value that attempts to relate the quantity of air pollutant released to atmosphere due to a particular activity associated referred as dash. So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says emission factor. An emission factor EF is an average representative value that attempts to relate the quantity of air pollutant released to atmosphere due to a particular activity associated. So the answer of our 10th question is B. Emission factor. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.